Hi guys, if you like to eat raw cookie dough, which is really not safe, you should really try this TikTok shop called Delightful, and they have edible cookie dough, and they have all these flavors. One is chocolate chip, one is oatmeal cream pie, one is peanut butter and jelly, and one is the gold mine. And I'm gonna try them out, and the first one that I'm gonna try is the oatmeal cream pie. Look at all those marshmallows in it. It looks so good and nice and thick, and it tastes real good, just like cookie dough. But this one you can eat safely. And then the next one that I'm gonna try is the peanut butter and jelly. Look at all that peanut butter, nice and thick and creamy. Look at that. And this one did taste good. And then the next one that I'm gonna try is the chocolate chip. And look at all these chocolate chips in there. This is one of my favorites right here. And nice and creamy and all those chocolate chips. But the best one that I like is the gold mine. This one right here. It really has a lot of chocolate flavor and it's so smooth and good. I love this one. This one is my favorite. So if you like to eat raw cookie dough, check them out. They are delightful and you can find them at the TikTok shop. And again, the chocolate chip and the gold mine are my favorite, so you should go check them out.